Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the notification pop-up style in a Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, set the notification pop-up style. You can change it by open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to notifications. Tap on notifications. Here you can see the notification pop-up style. Customize the appearance of notification pop-up. So tap on it. Now you can see choose how notification will pop up on the screen when you receive them. Brief. When you select the brief, you can only see the notification like this on the top of your screen. Or when you select the details option, you can see the all details, contact name and the message, all detail on your device. So you can choose from the brief or detailed notification pop-up style. Also you can customize it by add the lighting effect, lighting color. So tap on add lighting effect. Here you can see the list of different edge lighting effect or edge lighting style like a basic. You can see this type of notification when you receive notification on your device. Glitter, heart shape. You can see the fireworks like this at the top. Eclipse, echo, spotlight. This type of edge lighting effect available. Also set the edge lighting color if you want to set, or you can see the edge lighting color at the top when you receive the notification. Also select the advanced, adjust the transparency and duration. So you can set your edge lighting effect like basic and tap on a done. So whenever you receive the notification, you can see the edge lighting effect on your device. So quite easy to change the notification pop-up style on a Samsung One UI 8 device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.